My name is Byrne, and I work at Workday as a VP of Operations. I love solving problems. At the end of the day, I'm a puzzle worker. I took a break from computer science or from technology for about a year because I thought I wanted to do something different. And when I was staying up all night working the New York Times crossword puzzles, I knew I had a problem and I needed to go back to technology because you get to use your brain all day to solve really interesting and challenging problems. I think it's really important for young people to know about the industry, to know what jobs exist. There are a wide variety of careers, and it's really important that people know that the opportunity is there. It's a very lucrative career. It can be. It's a very highly paid career, and so I think people need to look at the option and know what a software or a tech company can provide in terms of their career and their future. I was definitely an A student, always wanted to get the A, always wanted to work very hard. I was really good at science and math, and didn't have a lot of opportunities for girls where I'm from, and so I ended up having to even take some math classes with the boys' school because we didn't even offer the math at that level in the girls' school. So I was a very serious student and really, really wanted to do well, but I also wanted to be a librarian. That was my goal, and I had a great teacher for geometry, and she pulled me aside one day, Sister Sarah, and said, "You're so good in math, I want you to think about this computer thing. I think you'd be good at it." And that's really what set me on my path. I think girls in this industry especially have to be tough and confident, and even if you're not confident on the inside, just try to pretend on the outside. I think there's no way that men are any smarter than women are. There's just no way genetically that that's the case. And I think it's just important that we learn the skills to be very successful in this career. And I've been happy and lucky to work with a lot of men who are very supportive. Probably my grandmother was a big inspiration. She was a teacher in a one-room schoolhouse in Kentucky. And because she went to college as a woman in, must have been the 20s or 30s. So she taught my dad a lot of things. He was the oldest kid, and I think that's where I get my talent for math and science from him, because of her. I think what people may not understand is you can be a software developer, but there's a wide variety of jobs in a technology company. I actually am too extroverted to be a developer. I don't want to sit with my headphones on and just write code all day. So I tend to do things like the testing, where I love finding a bug in some hotshot developer's code, and I'm really good at it. I love helping a customer solve a problem. I love creating a program for customers to implement a new technology. There are training positions, there are implementation positions, there are back of the office, running our own systems. So there is a wide variety of jobs that exist, and I think Workday is especially good about providing those opportunities to women. Our head of application development is a woman. Our head of financial strategy is a woman. I mean, we have a tremendous number of female leaders because the company really does look for the best talent, no matter what gender.